I think that honestly, you evaluate on results first, and that's been dramatic. We saw a 50% decrease in our unbilled claims, which was significant not only for just the day-to-day business, but as we looked uphill to the hospital partners, obviously those are important numbers to them. When we arrived on site, they had some significant issues with the prior EMR also having the contract to do the billing service. But boy, were we pleased, so pleasantly just surprised at how much easier it was to navigate the whole revenue cycle, and then to see the numbers mitigated so rapidly was honestly surprising. That in this agency's need for a turnaround, the executive kind of altitude approach was necessary, and HealthRev was I think even excited to sit with us and try to look at that from elevation and see what could we really do to approach it, and that whatever were the KPIs we were trying to address, that the tool itself was built to do that. And it really led to some agency-wide changes that we felt like were in the best interest for our patients and the clinicians. We're definitely seeing a difference, and obviously if it's improving the revenue per case that much, it's gonna make a really big difference when you look at your month and then your year end and quarters. And we've been very impressed with the routine communication. But it's not just the communication, there's oversight to the communication, and the routine communication is direct and helpful, but it's just the people are just so easy to talk to and so friendly. I just can't tell you how much each of the people that work with HealthRev have talked to me about how nice and kind the people are, but experts in their field, and we really feel like they're accountable to us on a level that would be almost like an employer-employee relationship, and that's hard to find in a third-party organization. I even have our QA reviewer sent me her own testimonial that she wanted me to share because she was so happy with how working with HealthRev has been for her, because she had worked with the prior firm. I would just say that, as far as managing the orders and the fact that we have been working between two EMRs as we integrate one and exit from another, just the fact that HealthRev has relationships with both of our EMR partners has really been invaluable in trying to navigate those major changes for an agency. I would even add that with both of our faxing services for orders management, for Cura, Worldview, we're moving out of one and into the other, and the relationships that HealthRev has with both of them have really helped us move forward, not only quickly, but with a level of confidence that makes me happy to see that the team feels comfortable and confident in moving from one to the other. We just really haven't had the hiccups that we would have expected to have, and HealthRev has been a big part of it. HealthRev is a company that provides excellent support services that are cutting edge in keeping with current home care industry standards. I've never worked with a company that is so professional, but yet makes me feel like I'm a part of their family. Their staff is very caring, compassionate, easy to work with, and very prompt in response to your needs. I highly recommend HealthRev. And this is from Judy, and she has 4 decades of experience as an RN and many years in the QA world. So those are high praise.